Ram, can you hear me? Ram, could you buy some groceries and vegetables for me now? Let's play some more time. Oh no. Haven't you heard what I have said? Go and buy some groceries immediately. Okay, Mom, I will go and buy. Boy, how can I assist you today? I need to buy a few things. Could I please have 2 packets of milk, loaf of bread and dozens of eggs and bag of rice and some bananas, please? Sure thing, let me gather those for you. Here are the 2 packets of milk. Thank you. And the bread, eggs, rice and bananas. Here's a fresh loaf of bread, dozens of eggs and a bag of rice and bunch of bananas. Is there anything else you need? No, that's all for today. How much do I owe you? That will be rupees 900 in total. Here you go. Thank you again. Have a nice day. I forgot to tell you one more thing. Could you go and buy the one I forgot to mention? Join our English Plus family by hitting the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Your support means everything to us. And we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.